Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 10th class. Chapter is real numbers and the topic is logarithms from exercise 5, and in this video we are going to solve the problems from second bit. Here is your second bit. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values. Let us go to the first problem. Log 2 plus log 5. Okay, so if you observe carefully, it is in the form of log x plus log y. Okay, so whenever there is addition and separate logs, addition is friend of multiplication, so your answer is log x into y, log xy. Okay, so for the clear explanation of properties and examples, just follow the link given in the description. So your formula is log xy. So log x plus log y. Here whenever addition is used, addition is a friend of multiplication. So log xy is your formula. This is your property. So here multiplying, here x is 2 and y is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So I can write log 10. So whenever there is 10, you can put the base as 10. This is a common logarithm. You can write 10 base 10. Okay. So 10 base 10. Now whenever the base and the power are same, means the base and power is a, then its value is 1. So here instead of a, I have 10. So its value is 1. Okay. So your answer for log 2 plus log 5 is 1. Clear? So let us go to the next problem from this second bit. Here is your next question. Log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, so forget about these bases. Here there is subtraction between the logs. So subtraction is a friend of division, right? So 16 log 16 minus log 2 means you can write log 16 by 2. So minus is the friend of division. So you can write them in division. Okay, so I'll take the question as it is. So your formula is log x minus log y. Minus means it is division. Okay, so I'll write log 16 by 2. Okay, base you can put as it is. Okay, now 16 by 2 means 2 ones, 2 eights. So I'll get log 8 base 2. Now here if you observe, 8 means I can write 2 cube, right? Because if you have till here, if you see here log 8 base 2, you cannot write any formula. So here 2 is there. So this 8 can be written in terms of 2 as 2 cube. Okay. If this 8 is written in terms of 2 as 2 cube, then we can substitute instead of 8, we can write 2 cube. Okay. So that now we can apply the formula. Here this power will go to the front because your formula is log x m base x equal to m log x. Whatever power is there, that will go to the front. Okay, means here 3 will go front. Whenever superpower is different, that will go as 3 only. Whenever if you have like this log 2 here and here you have 2, here in between you have 3, then it will go as reciprocal. Okay, so in between there is different one means it will go as reciprocal. As superpower is different, then it will go as it is to the front. So you will get 3 log 2 base 2. Whenever the base and the power are same, you can use the formula log a base a equal to 1. So 3 into 1, it gives 3 as your answer. So log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 equal to 3. So learn the properties perfectly so that you can easily apply to the problem. Let us go to the next one. Here is your next question. 3 log 4 base 64. So if you observe carefully, here 64 is there and here it is 4. So you should write this 64 in terms of 4. means 64 equal to 4 cube. When you do prime factorization for 64, you will get 4 cube. So instead of 64, I'll substitute 4 cube. So 3 log 4 cube, 4 base 4 cube. Okay. Now here this 3, forget about this 3. This 3 I will write as it is only. Now if you see this log, here the superpower and the base are same and in between there is different one. So it will be written as reciprocal. So into 1 by 3 log 4 base 4. Okay. 1 by 3 log 4 base 4. So if a base and power are same, then you can write it as 1 because log a base a equal to 1. So 3 into 1 by 3 into 1. So this 3 and this 3 are cancelled because there is under these two are under multiplication. If there is into symbol in between them, you can cancel them. So you'll get 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So your answer for 3 log 4 base 64 equal to 1. Here is your next question. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Very easy. See here there is minus. So minus friend is division. Okay, we will write it division in division. But here our formula is log x minus log y. Our formula is for log x minus log y only. But here in front of log there is nothing in the formula. But when you see the question, here you have before log you have some number. So first we should remove this number. Okay. So it is in the form of, see, don't confuse, just write this one in terms of variables. Instead of 2 I'll write m. Here log I'll write log only. Here instead of 3 I can write a, x, whatever it is. So m log a means what will go to the front of log? The power only, right? So this m I'll write as power. This power will only go to the front of this log, right? So log a power m. So instead of m log a, I can write log a power m, reverse of your formula. Okay. Instead of m log a, I can write log a power m, whether it is a or x, whatever it is. Okay. So here this 2 will go as power, here 3 will go as power. Okay, whenever the question is given in this form, you should write in this way. Okay, if it is in this way, you should write in this. Okay, so now 3 square means it is 9 minus log 8. Now you got log x minus log y. You can write log x by y. So 9 by 8. So log 9 by 8, there is no value. So we'll put like that only. So 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 equal to log 9 by 8. Here is your next question. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, same way. Here anyhow log, here log already ready. Now here this one we should solve it. We should send this 2 as a power. Okay, so I'll write question as it is. Now m log a means log a power m. Okay, first write this one. This 2 will go as a power. Now I can write this 3 square as 9. Okay, log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. So if you observe this, two things are in addition and this one is in subtraction. Okay, so here I can use log x plus log y and here I can use minus. Okay, so first log x plus log y I'll use, then I'll use this log x by y. Okay, so these two are in addition, so they will be multiplied, and this is in subtraction, so it will be divided. So 9 tenths 90 by 2 is 45. So we don't know this value, so we'll put as it is. So log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2 equal to log 45. So this is all about your second bit. In second bit you have 5 questions. So you be thorough with the properties and apply wherever it is needed. Clear? So try to take own examples and solve by your own. Okay. I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.